Hi everyone, come to the Terre Haute Convention Center with me today. We are located on Wabash Avenue, but to get to the parking garage, you'll take a left on Cherry Street right before 8th Street. Once you're in the garage, you'll receive a ticket and you can put it somewhere you won't lose it or keep it with you. Our parking garage rate is $1 an hour and only accepts card, so make sure you have it with you when you're visiting us. The parking garage is located at 811 Cherry Street, directly behind the convention center. Once you're parked, both stairs and elevators are available in the southwest corner. You'll take one of these to the first floor, go to the right, and that will lead you to the Cherry Street entrance of the building. Our parking garage features 450 spaces, with 17 of those being ADA compliant. We also have an elevator available to take to the second floor, where our administrative offices and small meeting rooms are. Once you're leaving for the day, you'll take the same way out. When you're entering the garage, you'll see this machine that gives you the option to pay for your garage parking ticket prior to leaving. You'll just scan your ticket, receive a total, and pay with card. Take the receipt with you because you'll use it when you leave. If not, you can scan your ticket at the exit. Thanks for coming to the Terre Haute Convention Center with me today.